Hey guys, so I got a box from Julep and I wanted to unbox it to show you what we got. Little note. It says, "Hi Christina, congrats on being one of our winners for December 2017. We love having you as an ambassador and hope you love these new goodies. XOXO Julep." Now, what do we got? All kinds of goodies. Let's move the phone so you can see. See all this? We're going to go through it. Two nail colors. I'll have to sample those so you guys can see. We have eyeshadow number 101. Eyeshadow stick. Oh, look at that. Let's try it on our hands, see what it is. I don't know. Cream to powder eyeshadow stick. Crayon. Oh, that's in French. It's waterproof formula. I'll have to see what color it is later. Then we have long-lasting eyeliner. And this, when pencil met gel, smoky taupe shimmer. So it's like a shimmery brown. I love the packaging, it's so pretty. And cream to powder blush stick. This is peony pink. Ooh, it's pretty big. This is super pretty. And matte lip mousse in Smooch. Oh, see that? It's a red color. See, it's pretty. Well, that was my Julep haul. Thank you for watching. Thanks you, Julep. Bye.